Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Eventful Living with Kay. In today's video, we will be making this fun, delicious, and healthy watermelon cake. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my watermelon and I have some grapes, strawberries, blueberries, and some blackberries. These are the fruits I will be using today, but you can go ahead and use your favorite fruits. I'm going to be cutting the watermelon into sections. I'm going to be making a 2-layer watermelon cake, so I'm going to be cutting it into 2 parts. So now I have my sections. I'm going to be cutting the skin off in as round of a shape as I can free-handedly. If you have something that you can use to help you get that round shape, you can go ahead and use it. I'm just going to make sure I get most of the white off and also that I get it as round as possible and as level as possible. So this is going to make my first layer. So here I have my cake stand and I'm going to put the first layer on to the cake stand. Now this is going to be my second tier and I'm going to be doing the same thing, cutting it as round as I can, removing the skin. And guys, no fruits were wasted in the making of this video. I'm going to be using 3 skewers. I've cut them to make them a bit shorter. I'm going to insert them into the first tier and then I'm going to add the second tier on top. Now it's time to add the fruits to decorate the cake. I'm going to cut my strawberries in half and then I'm going to add them to the cake and arrange them and rearrange if I need to. And to attach the fruits to the watermelon, I'm going to be using regular toothpicks. To add to the topper, I'm just going to make 2 strawberry roses to add to the top, and this is how I cut it to make the rose. How great does this watermelon cake look, guys? If you don't eat cake, then this is definitely a great option for you. It's great for any celebration, and from kids to adults can enjoy this cake. So I wanted to add a topper to it. I have this happy birthday topper that I'm going to add, but you can use it, as I said, for any celebration. I really want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and I will see you in the next video.